Okay, so we need to work out the cost here of Maria's electricity bill. Okay, now you'll have meter readings. Okay, so somebody come around your house to read your meter and they type it into their keypad, and you can see like the present reading, which probably would have been taken a few days before the bill was sent out. Now that's more than the previous reading, which was taken a few months ago. Obviously it's more because you used electricity. So first step is to work out how many units have been used. So we just see the difference between these two. So you take it away and you get 600 there when you work that out. So 600 units have been used. Now it says then that each unit it costs 12.2 pence. So to work out the cost, the total cost of the units used, you've got to appreciate that while 600 of them being used, you've got to do 600 times 12.2. Okay, without a calculator. But there's lots of strategies you could use to work this out. You could, for instance, multiplying them, you could, for instance, just ignore those zeros for a minute and just do 6 times 12.2. Okay, so you could work that out, couldn't you? And you could do that in your head, right? Or you could take your time on it. It really is your choice. You know, if I want to do 6 times 12.2, well, I could do 6 times 12 to start with, which would be 72. And then 6 times 0.2, okay, which would be 1.2. And then put that together will give me 73.2, which is what 6 times 12.2 would be then, okay? So you could do that, but of course, because it's 600, okay, I need to make this 100 times bigger, okay? So then that means then that decimal, those decimals will, decimal point will move if you like, or the digits will move up 2 places. Okay, so you get that there, 7,320. Don't forget it's pence, yeah? Okay, change it to pounds then. You get 73 pounds and 20. Okay, so that's the cost there of the units that have been used. But then, of course, you've got to work out the VAT as well. Okay, now the VAT is 5% for utility bills. So if you work out 10% first, well, 73.20, 10% of this, we'll divide it by 10, so it'll be £7.32, yeah? Okay, and then 5% will be half of it, okay? So you just got to halve this here. So if you halve this here, you will get £3.66, yeah? That's what 5% is. So then to get the total bill, you've got to add the £73.20 and the £3.66 together. So you get £76.86.